At Century 21 Action, we have always made your property sanitation a high priority. But this year, we're pulling out all the stops. Using CDC-approved cleaning agents and techniques, our vendors are following every recommendation to protect our guests from the coronavirus and other hazards. Our cleaning companies will be devoting extra time to every property, focusing on high-touch areas such as doorknobs, light switches, telephones, remote controls, and many other frequently touched surfaces. Our bed and bath linen provider, Sweet Dreams Linens, is nationally recognized for its sanitation standards. Linens will continue to be processed following CDC, OSHA, and EPA requirements. And now, Sweet Dreams Linens is offering brand new pillows and fresh comforters as an upgrade option for additional peace of mind. We are committed to protecting the health and well-being of you and your family. Thanks again for your support. We can't wait to see you this summer.